So here's what's quietly heating up. The US is pushing a new Russia sanctions bill backed by Trump, and this time it doesn't just target Russia, it targets countries still buying Russian oil. The threat to India? Tariffs as high as 500%. That's not a slap on the wrist, that's bringing a sledgehammer to a trade dispute. Now, why has India suddenly found itself in the spotlight? Because it's still buying Russian oil at discounted rates. Economically, it made perfect sense. Cheaper energy, lower cost, inflation in check. On paper, a smart call. But geopolitics rarely follows spreadsheet logic, right? If this bill moves ahead, Indian exports to the US could take a hit, making them less competitive and adding pressure on key sectors like manufacturing, pharma, etc. Markets already dislike uncertainty, and when they get jumpy, investors tend to park money in safer places like gold. Zooming out, I think this also puts Indo-US relations in a tricky spot. India is trying to walk a tightrope balancing strategic autonomy with global alliances. But when big powers flex, smaller economies often feel the heat first. So here's the question worth thinking about. If trade tariffs become a weapon to force foreign policy choices, is global trade still about free will markets? Or has it quietly turned into economic arm twisting? And how long can countries like India realistically keep walking the middle ground?